Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Shopify tiered discounts. So a tiered discount is something like, for example, if you buy 5 items, you get 10% off. If you buy 10 items, you get 20% off. If you buy 15 items, you get 20% off, so on and so forth. So once you're on your Shopify dashboard, you just have to go to here, discounts. And on discount, let's add a discount. From here, you just want to do amount of products, right? You can do an automatic discount, right? So I'm going to do tier one discount, something like this, right? And for the discount value, I'm going to do 5%, right? And it won't apply to any specific collections. And it can also offer a point of sale here if you want. But I'm going to do a minimum quantity of items. So if you want to get a 5% discount, you have to buy 5 items, right? And tier one discount can be combined with other or product discount if you want. But for now, this will be enough. I'm going to click on save. Oh, I need to do a specific collection, right? I'm just going to do specific products instead. And for specific products, we're going to do example shirt here, right? I'm going to click on save. After that, this is the tier one discount. I'm going to add another one called tier two. So to make it easier, I'm just going to duplicate this, right? And I'm going to rename this to tier two discount instead. I full screen it by accident. Sorry about that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do tier two here, something like this, tier two. So something like this. I'm going to type in tier two discount, just like that. And this time the percentage will be 10%, and they need to buy 10 items instead if they want this discount, right? So after you've done that, I'm going to again click on save discount, right? And I'm going to duplicate again. And this time I'm going to call this tier 3 discount. And this is the highest tier. They can get 15% off if they buy 15 items of example shirt here. Again, look at the discount, make sure everything is right. I'm going to click on save. And that's done. Let's go back to discount. And now we have a couple tier of discount. We have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. So they'll get 5% off if they buy 5. They get 10% off if they buy 10. And they'll get 15% off if they buy 15 of the products. You can add much tiers you want with this. There's really no limits. And since it's automatic, the customer won't have to add any codes. So they don't have to type in any code or any discount code. As long as they just buy 5, buy 10, or buy 15, the discount will be automatically added.